Hey guys, today what you're going to be doing is taking notes over third person point of view. I'm going to show you exactly how to take your notes and where to write the information on your paper. If you need to, pause the video at any time to copy down whatever you need to copy down. The first thing you need to do is write down third person point of view at the top of your paper, just like this. The next thing you need to do, guys, is write the definition of what third person point of view is. Third person point of view is when the narrator is not a character in the story. They are a voice telling the story. Go ahead and write that down.
Mommy.
And remember, you can pause the video at any time if you need to stop to catch up on the writing. There are 3 different points of view in third person point of view. So go ahead and number your papers 1 through 3, but make sure you skip 5 lines between each number. It should look like this. Number 1, guys, is going to be third person limited. Third person limited, guys, is where the narrator is telling us about what's happening, but we are only given the opportunity to see the thoughts and feelings of one character. So go ahead and write that down. This one character is usually going to be your protagonist, or another word for that character is your main character. Go ahead and add this to your notes as well. The second type of third person point of view is third person omniscient. Go ahead and write that down now as well under number 2. This is very similar to limited, except the narrator is allowed to tell you the thoughts and feelings of all of the characters in the story. Go ahead and write that down now under third person omniscient.
Chunky! I never noticed you there. Come here, Chunky.
Hey, Chance. Shh. Hey, the last one that we're going to be dealing, guys, with is going to be third person objective. Go ahead and write that down next to number 3. Third person objective is where the narrator only tells you the facts of the story. Go ahead and write that down. This is where there's going to be very little feeling or emotion put into it. You are only going to be reading about what can actually be seen or observed. Go ahead and add that to your third person objective section. Okay, guys, that is going to conclude our actual notes. The parts of your notes that I want you to go back and underline or highlight are going to be what you believe is the most important part of each third person section of point of view. So for third person limited, it's going to be one character. That's the important part, is over one character. For third person omniscient, it's going to be over all of the characters. You need to underline or highlight all characters. And then for third person objective, guys, you're only going to be reading about what can be seen or observed. So you need to underline seen or observed. That is going to conclude your notes on third person point of view.